To set up Flutter in Android Studio, follow these steps. Install Flutter SDK. Download. Go to the Flutter website and download the Flutter SDK. Extract. Unzip the downloaded file to a directory. Add to path. Add the Flutter bin directory to your system path for global access to Flutter commands. Install Android Studio. Download. Visit the Android Studio website and download the installer for your operating system. Install. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install Android Studio. Install Flutter and Dart plugins. Open Android Studio. Launch Android Studio. Go to Plugins. Navigate to File, Settings, Plugins. Search for Flutter and install it. This will also prompt you to install the Dart plugin. Set up Flutter. Configure SDK. Go to File, Settings, Languages and Frameworks, Flutter. Set the Flutter SDK path to the directory where you extracted Flutter. Create a new Flutter project. Start a new project. Click on File, New Flutter project. Follow Wizard. Follow the setup wizard to create your new project. Run your Flutter app. Connect device. Ensure device or emulator is running. Run. Click the green play button or use Run to start your Flutter application.